So, should you have a personal or business account in Instagram? Now, if you want to be known, become an influencer in Instagram, promote your products, etc., you have to have your account as a business type and not personal. If you want to use your Instagram for more things than just speak with your friends or your family, then just switch it to business account. And you can do this by going to settings, and you see here that it says switch back to personal account. If you have your Instagram as a personal account already, then it will say something like switch to business account. So just do that. Now, the reason that you want a business account are actually many, and some of them are that Instagram gives you more possibilities in general to promote yourself and your products with advertisements. Also see statistics of your posts, etc. So these are actually the main two reasons that we're going to speak about here. The first reason is that you actually can use payment ads so that you can promote your posts in Instagram. And I will give you an example right here. Let's say that you see this post, or you have a post in your Instagram about a product that you want to sell, and you see that this specific post goes well and it has 350 likes, many comments, etc. So if you see here, there is the possibility to promote. I will not go into it right now, but there is this possibility right here. Yes, so if you see that a post goes well and has much engagement, and you want to use that to drive more people in your Instagram account, and eventually also in your website, because people that are going to visit your Instagram account, let's say in this case Yanis's account, they can come here, see the bio, and click on Inmars. Good. So this is the first reason. The second reason is that you can actually view the insights. If you see here that there are blue letters, you can click view insights. Insights means just information, data about something. And you can see here how many likes this post had or has, how many comments, actions taken